Hello everyone, Abhishek here. Today we are going to learn how to install SOAP UI tool on our machine. So it's a pretty simple process. You just search for SOAP UI download on Google, and here you'll be able to see this particular link, soapui.org. Here, based on whatever type of machine you have, you download the installer file. So I'll just click on download here. I already have this download, so I'll cancel this. And here you just run this exe file which is downloaded, and then follow the simple process of next, agreeing the terms and conditions and all those things. So we'll perform the entire installation process. Click on yes, and then here I'll click on next. Since I think I already had it, that's why this particular pop-up message was coming. But in your case, if it is a fresh installation, that won't be coming. I'm going to create a desktop icon, and this will start the installation process. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Here once you click on finish, you'll be able to see the release notes. I'm going to close this, and here the tool will be launched, and here I'm able to see the desktop icon. So this is how the UI looks. In the next section we are going to cover what all different options we have, and I'm going to create a set of tutorials for covering the entire thing for SOAP UI, how to do your test, how to create the test suite and all those things. Thank you very much. This covers the entire download process. Let me know if you have any questions or any feedback. Have a great day. Bye bye.